how's it going? It's Jo, aka Commitment Issues. Hope you're doing well. If you're new here, I am a makeup lover, a self-published poet, and a bit of a mental health advocate. Today though, it is a makeup video and I don't know what I'm doing with my hands. I'm sorry. I'll sit on them. Today we are doing a makeup look inspired by Honey Revenge's album artwork. If you don't know who they are, I will put stuff on here and show you the artwork. They're pretty cool if you like pop punk music, like upbeat, kind of catchy, poppy music. You might enjoy them. I really like the artwork though. So I was a bit inspired and decided, hey, let's do a makeup look inspired by it. So we're going to do a bit of purple, a lot of purple probably. Going to do a bit of pink as well and try and make something cool. Hopefully it looks good at the end. We'll see. I also need to close the window because the birds are making a racket once again. It's getting warmer in the UK, so I'm like, I would really like to be able to keep my window open, but apparently when I'm filming, the birds are like, we're going to make a noise and you're gonna have to close the window. Thankfully, it's not that warm at the moment, and today it's a bit cooler, and because it is quite warm in the UK, I don't feel like putting a lot of stuff on my face, like a base stuff. I'm not going to be using foundation or anything. We're just going to do the eyes. I'm also just lazy and can't be bothered doing it all. It's hard work at times, especially when you can't be bothered doing it. But I'm going to shut up now and we're going to get on with it. Let's go. I still don't know what I'm doing. I give up. Let's just get on with it, shall we? So this video shows why I should probably make a plan before doing these makeup videos, especially if I'm trying to do a more extreme look, a more unconventional look, I don't know what to call it, extra, you know, a lot of steps in this look, and I should plan. Okay, I had colours in mind, but I didn't really have a plan. Okay, but it is a trust the process kind of thing, and honestly I think it comes out pretty cool in the end. I definitely did not put enough of this primer on though. Usually I put too much on, so I was trying to be a bit more conservative with it. The only time I'd ever be conservative ever in my life, but yeah, I should have put more of the primer on because I'm always like, oh, I've got too much, and then it just goes all over the place. But yeah, in this case, probably should have put more on. I also was just like, right, I have a plan. I kind of made up this plan and it didn't work to begin with because I was like, oh, what if we did like lines of pink and purple, but going from like light to dark, and the light stuff was just far too light and wasn't really picking up properly. Having more of that primer on my eye would have probably helped it, and also the like lighter colours in this Revolution Rainbow palette, which I always use, they're not very pigmented, so that kind of didn't work. And I was sat there being like, okay. So the darker pinks and purples definitely are showing up. Like you can see, I have a line on my face. So I was like, okay, we'll just use darker ones and see where we go from there. This is also pretty fitting for the fact that it is almost June, and I didn't mean to do this, but it does definitely look a bit like a bi pride makeup look. Not angry about that. I'm kind of like under the bisexual umbrella. I don't really know where to put myself. I would say I'm pan or bi or whatever. I like all people, all genders. I'm not fussy like that. But you know, I'm also just fussy too, hence why I'm single. Anyway, it ended up, being like the bi colours, minus the blue, actually. I only use pinks and purples in this. And this is where I was like, oh, okay, I've done something here. This looks pretty cool. So we have the like purple line, and then I did like a dark pink next to it, and it gives it this kind of like shadowy 3D effect. There'll be people out there who could do it so much better, and if I didn't spend so much time just trying to figure out what the heck I was doing, I probably could do it a lot better with like dimension, getting like a thin brush and doing an even darker purple, maybe like in between the pink and the purple, to give it that like kind of shadow effect. Maybe I'll come back to this look at some point. Maybe I'll try do a bisexual pride look like this and see how that goes. Or just a rainbow look like this would be pretty cool to try and do. But yeah, I should really, really plan ahead, shouldn't I? And not just kind of wing it. Because when I do that, I end up spending far too long on the makeup because I'm just like, I don't know what I'm doing. And that's how things go wrong, and I end up regretting it. I do not regret this though. It turned out pretty cool. I'm giving a little bit of a black swan moment there right now though, but like I said, trust the process, guys. And I also went over all the lines, all of them, with a glittery colour in the pink and purple, just a more pigmented one that it would pick up better, especially on camera. Like in person, the look does look pretty cool. On camera, I need it to be more pigmented, it needs to stand out more, and yeah, I had to do the whole shebang there. That wasn't tedious at all, no. And now the dreaded eyeliner. Again, if I just planned ahead, I wouldn't spend forever trying to do eyeliner, because I was just like, what am I doing with the eyeliner? How am I supposed to make this work? And I ended up going quite big on the liner and ended up actually doing a lot of black at the end of this. Because, yeah, like I said, I don't have a plan. I need to plan. Tell me in the comments. Just be like, Joe, remember to plan the next one of these. Come on, plan ahead, okay? Because, you know, if I planned it, it probably would come out even better. But I am going to say that I really like this look. This was cool. It was funky. It was different, okay? It was different. And if you aren't new here, then you know me. I like to push the boat out. I like to do a bit more extreme looks every now and again. I prefer the alternative big extreme eye makeup just because it's fun to do, okay? And if I just did regular everyday makeup every day on this channel, it'd be a bit boring, wouldn't it, doing the same makeup all the time in every video. And yeah, like I said, I went a bit big on the eyeliner. Wasn't the plan, but did I have a plan? No. You already know this. I've said it about 20 times. I didn't have a plan, but then I had a plan of putting some white highlight in like the middle bits of the look, and that really made it pop more, so that was cool. And now I'm just finishing up with a bit of blush and some powder because, like I said, I didn't want to do a lot of makeup. I've not been wanting to put foundation and stuff on for a while. It's warm and my skin's not brilliant. I keep breaking out, so I don't want to put a lot of stuff on my face at the moment. I do try to take care of my skin, but stress. Anyway, here's the end result. What do you guys think? I very rarely wear these lashes and I love them. They're like Pride lashes from Isla, and they're pretty cool because the tips of them are all different colours, and I really love that. I love this look. It's pretty cool and funky and different, but let me know what you think in the comments. Sorry about the background noise as well at the end. But that's the video, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you did like it, and subscribe if you wish to see me again.